Welcome today in front of me Honor 50 Lite, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration section. Here we can see the ringtone notification button panel. Just to mute our ringtone button, we should swap this dot to the left side with our finger, and that's it. And also we got a second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here in bottom button control function we got selected the ringtone, not the medias. And now just by press our down bottom button here on the right side of the device, we can also mute our device ringtone, and also we can do it manually just by swipe down this white dot here on this bottom panel with our finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.